In this video, I'll show you how to set live wallpaper on iPhone iOS 18. Step-by-step guide for customizing your iPhone screen. Hey everyone, welcome back to Sal Explains. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set live wallpapers on your iPhone running iOS 18. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Settings. To set a live wallpaper, start by going to Settings. Step 2. Select Wallpaper. In Settings, tap on Wallpaper, then select Choose a new wallpaper. Step 3. Choose Live Wallpaper. Scroll to the Live section and choose one of the live wallpapers Apple provides, or use a live photo from your camera roll. Step 4. Set your wallpaper. Once you've chosen your wallpaper, press Set and decide if you want it on your lock screen, home screen, or both. And that's it. If you have iOS 18 and notice any new features, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more iPhone tips. Bye.